Block insert and explode. In the previous video, we have discussed that how to create one block. When the block will get created, then later as when required, the block will be inserted in our drawing. But the block may require some changes. So to bring those changes, I shall have to explode the block so that the block will not remain as a single entity, but it will be divided into several objects which were used for the creation of the block. So when required, we can insert blocks in our drawing, and for some changes we can also explode it. The required commands are insert and explode respectively. So here is one digital circuit we have drawn, and these are the blocks we made, and this is another block which we have used here in this circuit. And this particular circuit, if required some changes, then we shall explode it and then we can do the changes accordingly. So for the easy understanding, let us go for one demonstration. There will be using this insert and explode commands, and we shall show you that how these commands are getting used. So here is the demonstration. Now we shall draw one digital circuit by using that AND gate and OR gate which we created in our earlier video. So here we are going for the insert. So insert block. So command is insert. We are going to have this AND gate now. Going for OK. So according to the insertion base point, we are getting this, and we are not just magnifying the or AND gate, we are just making the scale factor 1 and also angle is equal to 0. Otherwise I can give angle 30 degree or 40 degree for the respective inclination. So now we are going for, again we are going for insert. We are taking another AND gate. So we are inserting here scale factor 1 and angle we are giving as 0. So now we are going for insert, and then we shall go for the OR gate. So instead of going for the insert command, also you can come here, and from here also you can take this OR gate. So both are same. I'm just taking this one. I'm just putting it here. So scale factors and angle, I'm giving that one 1 and 0 respectively. Now I'm joining them. Now this line is redundant. This middle input line is redundant. So that's why I want to delete that one. But if I want to select this one, then the whole object, the whole block is getting selected. So that's why we should explode this block so that we can access and edit individual objects residing in the block. So let us go for the explode at first. And the same problem here is true for these two AND gates because they are working as a block. So that's why all the objects which were used while drawing this particular block, so they all of them are getting selected. So now I'm going for explode. So now going for explode. So select object, I'm just selecting this one. Now this particular object will be exploded. So if you see now you can select individual objects here. So deletion is not a matter for here. We can easily delete the respective middlemost input line. So I'm just deleting this one, selecting this and deleting it. In this way I can do the updates in my blocks after insertion also, because here while creating these blocks we selected the explode option. So later when we are trying to do some edit on our inserted blocks, we can easily do that one. Here the command is explode. So in this video we have demonstrated the use of insert and explode commands. Thanks for watching this video.